Yeah, you're welcome back. In the previous video, we were able to start on our web page and we're able to design a little of its introduction. So today, since we created a navigation, so we shall start on working about our navigation page. One, when we try to run it, we ran it and this is what we got after running our page. This is what we got after designing the navigation. So today we shall see on how to create these other pages. So when you're done with your navigation, let's say we now have to talk about this reference, which is about. You come here and double click there. It will create for you untitled file. You have to Ctrl S, that is for saving. I can call it about.html, because about.html is one of the links that we are having here. Hope you can see it well. So I have to create a page that someone will get after clicking on this link. So we are here. The procedures are the same: exclamation mark and the tab. It will create for us this meta information, and this one is about. Then this one also has its heading 1, and heading 1 says what, or can say about us. That is our heading 1. That is about us. So you can also run this, or you can run this one and then click on about us. So you can see that if you click on the link about us, it will be able to open for you the page which is having about us. So after opening it, you can go on and maybe add paragraph. Maybe I'm saying we are located in Arua City, opposite maybe Arua Central Police Station. Then you save the changes. You come and click on about us, then you refresh. So this is how our page looks like. Okay, so another one, we are done with about us. So we can create another page for programs. And how do we do that? Double click there and Ctrl S. Then this one will be called programs.html. We save it. The procedure is the same. and here you can call it programs. Then for H1 you can simply say H1 can say our daily programs, our daily programs. Then maybe I can add a paragraph and say our program runs from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and we have a daily timetable of activities that we follow. We save. So you can come here. Since it is programs, I click here so it will open for us the page for programs. We are using the navigation. We are using the navigation. Programs, it will open for us there. So we are done with the programs. Maybe another page is team.html. So we can create another page and we call it team.html. We save. Exclamation mark plus tab key, it gives us this information. So this is team, and H1 will be talking about our team. Then I can add a paragraph there and say we have various teams whereby they include under 5, under 7, under 12, under 14, under 17, and under 21. We save. So if I come to run and I click on the team, it should be able to bring us on this page. So on top of that, we are done with the team. We can have another program, another page for gallery. Gallery, this is where we shall have our pictures. This is where we shall have our pictures. Ctrl S. I can call it gallery.html. I save. Exclamation mark plus tab key. This one I call it gallery. H1 heading 1 can say welcome to our gallery page. Keep saving. Can add a paragraph and say all our photos can be found and downloaded here. I go back and run the gallery. So it will open for us the gallery page. Then we have another page for contacts. Ctrl S, we save it as contacts.html. We save contact, it is contact.html. contact.html. I save it, exclamation mark plus tab key. I will say this is contact. H1 can say contact us. Then can add a paragraph and say we can be found via the following contacts. Save. So on running contacts, it will be able to open for us the page for contact us. The home, we haven't created it, so I can come here, this one which is web.html, I can rename it to be our home page. I can rename it to be our home page, because this is the index, it can stand as the home page. So that is how we can create the pages home.html. Save. So on my Chrome, this is what we have: about us, programs, the team, the gallery, and finally contacts. So we have been looking at how simple we can design a small website. So in the next lesson, we shall see how to add various activities in these pages, and maybe how to style or how to design these pages. Thank you for watching. Like, share, follow, and comment for the improvement of the page.